I'm back and I'm better. Back and I'm better.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Hey guys, it's Wynne Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm installing a V-part wig, but you guys have seen me install a V-part wig a million times. So instead of making it super detailed, I'm actually gonna just like chit chat and talk to y'all. I feel like I've been posting hella tutorials, but I haven't actually like talked to the girls, okay, in a minute. So let's do that. My hair is already braided, but I went and got a facial this morning, so I had to finesse this little updo situation. My hair is actually already braided for the install, so we can get right into it. I got like a little bit of leave out on the sides and my leave out up top pretty much like ready to go. It's been blow dried, it's clean. Let's tuck these edges. I'm like a whiskey lady. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me over this really cute V-part wig. It's actually a wet and wavy type of vibe. It came this like straight texture, but once I wetted it, actually turned into a really pretty curl pattern. So that was pretty cool. I experienced a huge loss this year and it made me really take a step back from everything. I just needed time to kind of connect with myself, connect with my family, reground myself. A big part of stepping back for me was taking a break from posting on social media platforms and just really enjoying them as a user more than an actual content creator. It really helped me to get re-inspired. The wig comes with 2 clips on either side around the part, and then there's 1 clip right here that I always take out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. It just makes the wig a little bit more comfortable for me because I can never snap this one once I put it on, so it's just like a random clip like rubbing on my scalp. So I'll take it out. So yeah, I had never really spent time on social media, just kind of enjoying social media and seeing what other people are posting. Like I wasn't on top of the trends. I wasn't interested, child, if I'm being perfectly honest. If anything, actually building my own community made me care more about social media because I feel like I actually have something to bring to the table. I'm not the type of person who's gonna take pictures of all my food. Like that's just, and that's no judgment. I feel like if that's your vibe, then vibe out. But that's just not me. So it kind of felt purposeless. And because of that, I wasn't bringing very much like, what's it called? Value to the platform. I was just posting videos. But I feel like taking my break, I haven't posted on Instagram since like April. Now YouTube is my job, so rain, sleet, or snow, it's gonna be a YouTube video. But with Instagram, it's like a secondary form of income, so I have a lot more leeway there. So I kind of took my break where I could get it, and for me, taking a break from Instagram is not hard. So I just took a break. But not like a, oh, Instagram is the devil, I'm never getting on here break. It was more like I took a break to actually enjoy the platform, to look at content. I did the same thing with TikTok just because I don't really understand it. I was just out of touch, I'm gonna leave it there. But now that I have found some creators that I really, really like, I have a new vision for what I want to bring to the platform, which is nice. And I also have a new vision for what I want to bring to YouTube. So I'm really thankful that I just took the time that I needed to get re-inspired. That's really what it's about. I feel like I'm so hot of it. That's really what I did. I just took some time to get re-inspired. And a beach is excited. So this is what it's given so far. I didn't leave much edges out, but it's enough to where if the wind blows, my business not in the streets. But can y'all see these curls? This hair is so freaking pretty. So pretty. So yeah, that's that on that. I'm excited. I've been taking a lot of pictures and working on content, but I kind of want to post it when it makes sense. So I'm waiting to post the pictures that I've been taking on Instagram with the corresponding YouTube video. And I'm back and I'm better. Back and I'm better. And I'm just having fun again. Everything was getting kind of stale and I was over it. And it wasn't even like the content wasn't getting views. Like, my content was doing pretty well. My platforms are all still growing. I just was bored. And ain't nothing more volatile than a bored Aquarius. What else is going on with me? I was burnt out, got that together. What else is going on? I've been dating. I'm dating somebody and it's been going really, really well. I've been learning a lot about myself and the other person, and just, it's been nice. I really tried to make it a year being single, and no, the girl loves love. I love love, and I met a really nice guy, so I'm excited about that. I really want to put stuff on my YouTube channel. I'm about to go back to vlogging. Y'all actually, like, I was talking so much shit. Why do I cuss so much? Anyway, I just knew that my vlogs weren't gonna perform well, and some of my vlogs got more views than my recent hair videos. So y'all actually are enjoying the vlogs, so I need to make more of them. I'm in a place where I'm really happy. And I don't know why, but I've seen like relationships and stuff go bad on social media, and I don't want no parts. This curl is not perfect at all, but once I blend it in, it's gonna look really good with the rest of the hair, so I'm gonna just leave it. But yeah, I do not want to have a breakup on social media, girl. I would rather suck a cactus dry. I have no intention on doing that, but I feel like thinking that way makes, I don't know, I think it's a little pessimistic, so I feel like I'm gonna just go into it with an open mind. I have been getting some vlog footage and stuff, and we're actually going out of town soon, so I may give y'all a little behind the scenes moment of that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually put him on camera or if I'm gonna do a full like Wizard Kelly moment, but I just been a lot more, I guess, open, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. And I'm excited to add a little bit of variety back to my channel. I was doing so good, but as soon as I got burnt out, I only like focused on the content that I had to post. And vlogs are like an extra content for me. I typically am like way more pressed for my hair videos. But I asked you guys on one of my last videos what you guys wanted to see from me, and all of y'all said y'all wanted to see vlogs. So what baby want, baby gets. This is the base of the install, and clearly I could go out just like this. Like, when I say this hair is gorgeous, it is stunning. Like, look at these curls, the density, the curl pattern. I'm obsessed. But what we need, y'all know, baby hairs. And then I still may do the little clip up style. I'm not sure, but I really am liking how it looks down right now. So maybe not. Do I want to do soft baby hairs, or do I want to just... It's so hot outside. I'm about to just slap some edge control and do a cute little baby hair moment, because it's going to last all of 10 minutes anyway. It is 120 degrees outside. So I'm using a little bit of this olive oil edge control. I'm not a fan. I think it smells really good, and it makes my hair soft and really like malleable, but the hold isn't great. So I'm actually gonna go to the beauty supply and get some of my the edge booster that I normally use. That stuff can hold my hair down in a tornado. Like, I really like it, and it sets almost. Like, once you put your scarf on and it like dries, it's not moving. So I hope your hair is exactly where you want it, because that's where it's gonna be. That is where it's gonna be, honey. Whereas this looks good when you first put it on, but by the time I get outside, it's no longer gonna be giving. So here's the hair. Love it. We love it. Do we love it? I love it. All right. Boom. Now, if I'm gonna do my little updo situation, I typically will like leave out some waves and curls in the front. Like so, like that. And then I grab the hair, because I don't have any leave out in the back. We don't want nobody to know. So I grab the hair kind of loose, and then I twist in the middle, pop it up. I usually like to use cuter clips than these, but this is all I have right now. So clip it, fluff the hair on top, make sure ain't no tracks out. All right. Remember this? All right, so this is the finished look. Literally took me 15 minutes. I hope you guys really enjoyed catching up with me. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video, and thank you again to Beauty Forever for working with me. Like, look at the material. This wig is super cute, and it took me 10 minutes to do, so can't beat it with a bat. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, babes.